broadcasting from Ventus, Kuwait. This is the Me and Larry reality video show, LTL, editorial news for March 23rd, 2010. Continue with the victory for the U.S. healthcare bill. Hold on, don't clap yet, because there's somebody's holding it. I know it's going to the Senate. The Senate is not going to be rejecting it, but there's going to be a lawsuit from 13 states. A lawsuit. Well, who are those states? Well, let me go over these states for you. Here we go. Starting with, of course, the one that believes that there are 13 states in America, South Carolina, followed by Nebraska, which is a cornhusker state by corn, and N stands for knowledge. Texas, of course, you got the bushes. You know, a hand of the bush means, well, more trouble. But anyway, Michigan, you know, that guy on iReport, my friend better known as Nehemiah, he's, poor guy, he talk about Hurt Locker and all that. I guess your place don't even want to repent off of health care, and also your GM, they thinking they going to have to pay more to people. So that's them. Utah, well, I like Utah because they support me, so LTL is okay with them. Pennsylvania, Punxsutawney Phil, you can't even keep up with him. He's on a loose. He gave you 6 weeks of good old winter. That criminal, that varmint, hey, he may have disease. Y'all may be sick where you need health care. Alabama, Mr. Jeff Sessions, Senator Jeff Sessions, he had enough with Sonia Sotomayor, and now he's, you know, talking about the common folks. You know, the common folks make me mad, you know, and I ain't giving them health care. They're going to take over my doctor, you know. I need to take care of my lumbago, huh? Yeah, I better hurry up and make sure I get 2 weeks to see my doctor, huh? Make it every week afterwards. But anyway, also South Dakota. If South Dakota can ever have land, right now they're in water. They only got one part of land. Man, the poor place of South Dakota. Yeah, and then they're going to have contamination, so they're going to need health care. Louisiana, minus, I would say New Orleans, because New Orleans, they're not included in Louisiana. Idaho, potatoes. They think potatoes will make them healthy. Yeah, right. Washington, they think apples. An apple a day keep the doctor away. If not, we go to Vancouver and see a strip joint and see some strippers. They make us feel much better. And then none other than Colorado. Yeah, here it is, Colorado. You got Democrat senator, and he's on the ropes. Yeah, he needs to be put out of the way, all right? But the one that is leading it off is good old Florida with Attorney General Bill McCollum. Yes, Florida is known for the Sunshine State, especially when you are retiring and you're ready to go and see the Lord. That's why they believe in the Bible. It's basic instructions before you leave Earth. Yes. Either that or they watch the movie Soylent Green so they could turn to food. You know, Charles Heston feel welcome about that. Yeah, he might be saying, Soylent Green is people, when people turn to food there. Yeah, the Sunshine State. But those 13 states are filing suit. Well, that's fine. I tell you what, LTL later on in the video segment, he's got a deal for you 13 states and those protesters who went to Washington, D.C. and others who disagree on the health care. But he got a deal for you. But coming up next, British Airways. Victory or no victory? On the LTL Editorial News.